Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video, I will guide you to sign up or create an account on ADP Mobile Solutions. Now, if you are new to using ADP Mobile Solutions and you want to use it, but you don't know how to create an account, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. To do so, before that, make sure that you have downloaded ADP Mobile Solutions app on device, and if you have not downloaded it, you may simply download it from App Store or Play Store on a device. Now to do so, you need to simply open ADP Mobile Solutions app on device. So this is the landing page of ADP Mobile Solutions. Now if you have created your account, you may simply log in from here. If you have not, then you will see the option of new get started at the very bottom of the screen. So click on the option of new get started, and it says, are you sure you are new? If you have already set up your ADP Mobile Solutions account, you may simply log in. So it says, do you have a registration code? If you have a registration code, click on the option of yes. If no, click on the option of no. So it asks you where you are from, where you are based. If you are based from USA, click on the option of USA. If you are based on Canada, click on the option of. So after that, it will ask you a username. So simply write a username and last name of yours and click on the option of next. It may ask for your birth date, so click on the option of birth date and click on the option of next. Now it may ask you employee ID and associate ID. So if you don't know your ID, click on the option of I don't know my ID. If you know your ID, so simply write the ID and click on the option of next. Click on the option of confirm to create an account. Now if you are an employee and you will be registered, so this was just a test video or trial video, so it says we couldn't find you. If you have entered your employee ID, date of birth and all of it correctly, then you will be able to register to ADP Mobile Solutions app. So that's it. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.